Well, well, well. Here we are, darling. Our very own little peace dove. Our very own little peace dove. What is your story, sweetheart? What is your story? You got lost somewhere? Somebody didn't want you anymore? Either that or you got lost. Well, here we are, darling. I think we can only call you Olive. We can only call you Olive, sweetheart. Precious little one. And here are. Here's some nice friends here. Here's some nice new friends. Some nice friends. Yes, darling. Yes, precious. Yes, precious. Mummy's here. Mummy's here. Here's Mummy. There you are. There you are. There you are. All right. Just a minute. Let me put you in. Get under here. And Mummy put you down carefully. There you are. There you are. There you are, precious little one. Oh, you don't know where you are. Well, of course you don't know where you are. This is a new experience. Oh, now who's? Oh my goodness me, Elijah. Here's poor little Olive, come in from the wilderness. Here's little Olive, our peace dove, come in from the wilderness, darling. What are you doing? What are you doing, darling? What are you doing, precious little one? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Here's some food for you. There you are, there's some food. There you are, precious. Oh, I think we've got some good news over here. Elisha wonder why you've finally convinced Joan to share your nest. Oh well, you're no longer Mummy's bird. You are still Mummy's bird. Of course you're Mummy's bird. But I want you to be nicely paired up with nice Joan. Here you are, here's Olive now. Here's Olive. You're by yourself, Olive. You're by yourself, treasure. Come down, have something to eat. Here's some new little friends for you. There you are, darling. Here's our little Olive. There, darling. Now, where are you going off? Where are you heading off to? Where are you going? Where are you going now? Okay. Oh, you're very gentle. Very gentle little flapper. There you are. Who's chasing you now? There you are, darling. Come and get some food. All right? Oh dear. I don't think you're going to be too welcome up there. Job won't tolerate you, I don't think. There, precious. There, precious. There you are, Olive. There you are, darling. There you are. There you are. I'll leave the bee now for a little while, all right?